Okay, let's get into the science of this ingredient. And it all starts at the Dead Sea.
You know, the Dead Sea isn't just salty. It's a total geological anomaly unlike any other water.
I look at this. It has 26 minerals, some at levels way, way higher than the ocean.
But what really got scientists curious is what could possibly learn to live in a place like this.
Well, meet Dunaliella salina, a tiny microalgae that actually thrives in these extreme conditions.
It's basically a master of survival. It makes its own stuff to protect itself from all that stress.
So the big question is, how do you actually harness that resilience? The secret isn't just harvesting it.
They built a controlled biofactory. This gives them way more consistency and, well, potency. It's this super meticulous 2-day process that transforms everything into a whole new fermented complex.
So this isn't just an extract. The fermentation actually creates new compounds that weren't there to begin with.
And testing confirms it. You can see the pH drop and protein synthesis go up, a real transformation.
Okay, but here's what really stood out. What happens in controlled lab studies?
First off, it's been shown to help support the proteins involved in keeping that skin barrier cohesive.
Second, studies observed it influencing markers related to collagen and, well, youthful-looking skin.
And third, it seems to help support a balanced calcium environment, which is huge for barrier function.
And finally, it was shown to support the skin's own renewal process for a smoother appearance.
Now it's really important to say, these are cosmetic studies. We're talking skin health, not treatment.
So why does all this matter? Well, this really is a whole new category of ingredient.
Yeah, it's not just a natural extract, and it's not purely synthetic. It's biotransformed.
It all comes down to 3 pillars, right? Heritage, innovation, and evidence. It's this amazing convergence of ancient geology and modern biotech, all to support skin's natural resilience.